Hi, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to my small kitchen. So today I'm preparing a very simple side dish, and it's just simply corn cakes, and it's a recipe that my daughter gave me the other day, and it's going to accompany the main course today, which is boiled hamburgers. This can go with anything. So I'm just ready to do a flip here. Yeah. And these don't cook very long, a few minutes. All right. To accompany that, I got a recipe from my daughter on these corn cakes. And if there's time, I'll make it all one video, or I might split it up into 2 videos. And as well, there's a avocado tartar dressing to dip those little suckers in. So let me try the first one. Give it a little squish. Good thing I strained out the onions. Is the bun is not wet. In fact, like whatever you like. So I'm going to have a bite of this. Wow. Really good. So I want to thank my daughter Mila for sharing that great recipe with me, and thank you for visiting my channel. Please give me a thumbs up. Until the next one, take care. Bye now.